This is a GE stove, and the oven doesn't work. GE xl44 is the model number. And on this particular model, it has a flat tip or a slotted screwdriver screw here in the back. The other ones have a Phillips. So we're going to take this screw here out, and then we're going to take the other screw out to the right. Now this panel lifts up in the back, and you push it forward, and this comes out. Now you'll notice that there's another heat plate up here. There's your heating element right there. In order to get the wires in the back, you have to take a couple more panels off. It's kind of a pain, but once you get to it, it'll be okay. But those screws right there and all the rest of the screws that you can get to, use 1/4 or 1/4, I should say, 1/4 nut driver bit. You can see that I'm trying to pull up on the back here, but the connection in the back, you may not be able to get to it. If you pull the drawer down below completely out, you might be able to disconnect it, and that might come up, and you may not have to take the rest of the steps out, but this particular one, it was wedged pretty good. So this screw here and the screw on the right side, you take it off, and you use the 1/4 nut driver. Bend these two tabs up, and you're going to have to lift this up and pull that out, and this whole tray pulls this way. And you'll be able to get to your heating element after you remove a few more trays here. This screw here and this screw here, you take that out, get to the next section, and that takes that part out. So you take your bottom drawer out here. If you want to continue on taking the rest of it, there's these two here. But what I'm going to do is disconnect this cable here that is for your igniter. And that way you don't have to take the whole pan off. And you squeeze these two little latches here, and then you pull this wire out. You got these two screws here. And you loosen them up. There's your element. Okay. There you go.